Hello guys, welcome back to another episode in Flutter. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a tab bar view and an expansion panel in Flutter. Let's get started. First we go to lib and select new, then select Dart file and we'll create a Dart file named expand. And after that we'll have our live template implemented inside it. We say Kulesh and our live template got implemented right now. Now first of all we are making an expansion panel. For that first we must create a class for the items which will be there inside the expansion panel. So here about the class myApp we say class my item, and inside it we'll declare a bool first. Bool is expanded. Then we declare final string of a header. Okay, after that we'll have a final widget body. Then we'll make a constructor out of our myItem class. We say myItem and we'll declare constructor. Here we'll say this dot is expanded and this dot header and also this dot body. Oopsie daisy, we must have round brackets instead of curly brackets. We say this and the error went off. Now we'll make a list out of our myItem class. We say list and inside we'll give the values as myItem and call this items and make it equal to new list. New list myItem, and after that we will declare the init state inside our class. We say init we'll have an override to have the init state. We say override, and in the bottom we say void init state. And after that inside it we'll have a for loop which says int I equals 0 and I lesser than 10 and I plus plus. So let's close this from here, and inside it we say items dot add new my item. And in here, first we'll say the is expanded as false. Then the header will be in brackets. The header will be items item dollar sign and curly braces, and the value and the header will be I, and after that the body will be a container. We say container and the padding will be edge insets total 10, and after that the child will provide a child. We say text and we'll call hello world. Alright, now we have made our list item, and after that we'll have to make the expansion panel. Right now we'll say expansion panel, and we'll call it create item, and inside we'll provide my item, and inside it we'll return an expansion panel. Its header will be build context, and the body will have item dot body, and here we inside the header builder we say bool is expanded and here we'll have some curly brackets, and inside it we say return container, and inside the container we'll have some padding. We'll give some padding as edge insets dot all, and give it 5 padding, and after that we'll have a child, we'll have a text. Inside the text we'll call our header and dollar sign, and in curly braces we'll have item dot header, and after that after the body we'll have a is expanded, and after here After the body, we'll have a is expanded as item dot is expanded. Alright, now we have made our expansion panel. We have made our expansion panel, and now we'll go inside our widget and the main widget and have and we'll change our body. Padding will be in edgeinsets.all 32, and now we remove this from here and we'll have a child, a list view. Inside the list view widget we'll say children, and inside it we'll give expansion panel list, and inside it we'll have a expansion callback. The expansion callback will be int index and bool is expanded. And now we'll have some curly braces, and inside it we say the set state, and inside the set state we'll have our items index dot is no we'll have items index, and we'll say dot is expanded. We'll have items dot is expanded equal to not items, and index will be passed again, and we say dot is expanded. Here we have an error. We say item here, we'll have items here, and after that we'll have children here. We'll say children, and inside it we'll say items dot items dot map there's a bit of an error. I'll come back after fixing this error. Well, I fixed the error. So what we have to do here is we must cut this from here and paste it inside our state my app. And after that we can say items here. We'll give an index to it and we'll say dot is expanded equals to not items index dot is expanded. Now inside what we did here was we gave our item index for this expanded and checks if it's not expanded or not by the setState method. So after that inside the children we'll give items dot map and inside it we'll give the create item method and we say dot and after that we say dot to list. Alright, now we have made our here. I forgot to give that like this. We remove this from here and this as well, and the error went out. So right now we have made an expansion panel using Flutter. Now I will test this application and come back to you with the application through my phone. I'll show you what happens when we run this app through my phone. Now let's run this. I'll come back to you when the build is over. So here is our final app. We have made an expansion panel list using the list view in Flutter. So here as you can see we have header items from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and when we press the drop down icon we can see hello world inside our application. Here also hello world. Likewise our expansion panel is working perfectly well. We can press and expand our expansion panel list and we can slide over and go down, up and all. This works perfectly well. I think I made a good expansion panel just to show you how it works. So here what we did was we made the expansion panel using Flutter list view. So I think this video has gone a bit too long, so I'll teach you about the tab bar view in the upcoming video. So for today's lesson I've taught you how to make a expansion panel list. So I hope you learned a wonderful lesson from this example, and I'll see you in another video another time. So till then, goodbye guys, and please take care.